Hi guys! Nandito po kami ngayon sa Malagos Garden dito sa Davao City. Ito yung map. Ayan po, kasama natin si Baby Ivan. Tsaka si Bolak at Nakbo.
So yes, fish. That's right, Anak. So just like what Kuya Renren is holding over there.
Pwede tayo lumabas.
Oh, sige.
May
Punta tayo sa
virtue
Philippines.
dito.
Oo.
Okay. Ano, kakain muna daw dito?
Kakain muna kayo sa tapos ikot. Then, punta kayo sa Chocolate Factory. Pag may mag-ingay na, doon na kayo pupunta kasi ano naman yan, bird show.
So, ito na yun, nandito na lahat
Nandito
yun,
lahat.
yung sinabi mo.
Pag bayad nyo yan sa bigyan kayo ng map. Doon na. Makikita.
Okay, okay. Salamat, ha?
Okay, sir. Enjoy po kayo, ma'am, sir.
Okay.
Ako yung kayo, ma'am. Ako, doon po ng paragista. So, sir. Okay po, pili po.
Kami ma'am, serve sa Sir Guy.
850 isa daw. Kasama na yung buffet.
Kasama na yung buffet.
Yes.
Anong mga ano yung sa buffet?
May ano kami po, may 11 stations.
Seafood.
So, paano ang setup nyo dito? Kakain muna.
Pwede din po sir, tapos after mag-tour na kayo sir.
Oh, para matunawan.
Yes po. Field po yung sa Falcon Day Show po naman po. So ito ma'am, i-present sa guard sa unang to validate for your entrance and for your lunch buffet ma'am. Thank you po Aldrin.
Thank you, Mary Joy.
Yes, sir.
Selfie tayo sa Hi guys! Nandito po kami ngayon sa Malagos Garden dito sa Davao City. Ay,
Salamat. Yun na po ma'am.
Okay.
saan po entrance? Doon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ito yung map. Ito iikutan natin. Kasama natin si Baby Ivan. Tsaka si Bolak at Nakbo. Tutuwa yun eh. Ang dami kaninang animals. Cute na mga chicken, yung mga pato, no, mga ibig pa.
Ito yung buffet. Yan ang buffet. Ay, yung palang bird show.
Mag-bird show muna tayo. Oh, 1 PM lang daw ito.
Welcome to Malagos Garden Resort, where we love to say, oh, to be one with nature. Falconry demonstration will start in a few minutes. We are requesting everyone to kindly refrain from going at the center of the field. The birds will be needing the space for later. Daghang salamat.
Ito yung buffet.
Welcome to Malagos Garden Resort, where we love to say, oh, to be one with nature. Falconry demonstration will start in a few minutes. We are requesting everyone to kindly refrain from going at the center of the field. The birds will be needing the space for later. Daghang in this 10-minute falconry demonstration featuring our resident raptors. Are you excited? Oh, I can hear you again. Are you excited? Pero teka muna, ano ba yung falconry? Ano ba yung raptors? Raptors are birds that eat meat like fish, rabbits, beef, rats, at iba pa. In the very early days, our ancestors used to hunt for meat using bows and arrows, spears, and other sharp objects. However, in the Far East, their ancestors used to hunt for meat using raptors, or that's what they call falconry, an act of hunting wild animals using a trained raptors. To show us the basic equipment needed for falconry, now please help me welcome Maria the Horse and Kuya Renren. Now, let's call and jump a changeable hawk eagle. So now we have our horse, our raptor, and over there is Kuya Rod. He's wearing a leather glove or gauntlet, which is very important because our bird's talons or feet are very sharp and long. It protects Kuya Roy's arm and it is worn on his left hand. And if you notice, our bird here is wearing a hood. This is to limit their vision and have them focus on their target alone. And now you might be asking by now, how do you train this bird to hunt? Well, they practice through luring. So now let's call on Kapitan. Everyone meet Kapitan, a Philippine hawk eagle. Kapitan was donated to us by local barangay captain of Barangay Baguio, thus his name. Kapitan was donated with a broken leg and due to this, he can barely fly, and after nursing him back to health, Kapitan is the one of our swiftest flyer. Everyone say, hi Kapitan! And over here is Kuya Gerald holding a lure. A lure is basically a piece of rope that has a bait on one end. A lure is shaped like a rabbit. Nakikita niyo po ba? Is it shaped like a rabbit? Yes, because Kapitan likes to eat rabbit. So now, gusto niyo po ba na makita na mag-lure si Kapitan? Again, so now, gusto niyo po makita na mag-lure si Kapitan? So now, let's cheer for Kapitan. Go, Kapitan! As you can see, Kapitan was indeed lured or chased after the lure. Your lure should be similar in appearance to what you want your bird to hunt. You train them. Of course, there are particular raptors that has particular preferred meat to eat. And now another raptor that I want you to check out is Valor. Valor is a good fish eagle. What do you think fish eagles eat? Fish. That's right. So just like what Kuya Renren is holding over there. So now let's see if Valor can be lured with a fish. So now let's cheer for Valor. Go Valor! If you notice, these birds are very fierce and very protective to their food, so better to not disturb them while they are eating. And of course, there are two types of raptors, the diurnal raptors and the nocturnal raptors. The birds you met so far are diurnal raptors or bird na gising sa umaga. Sino nga yun? Si Kapitan and Valor. Very good. So now, who can give me an example of the most famous nocturnal raptor or bird na gising sa gabi? That's right. So, please help me welcome Pagan. Pagan is a giant scuffed owl. If you don't know, owl has a silent flight style and literally hindi niyo po sila maririnig lumilipad because their wings produce no sound at all no matter how hard they flap their wings. What do you think owls eat?
Malaki na ibag na ibagang oh.
Rats and rodents. That's why owls are beneficial to farmers because they eat the best on their farmland. Everyone say hi, Pagan!
Hi, Pagan!
And now another flight style that I want you to check out is our Brahmi kites. Brahmi kites like to glide around the air and they don't flap their wings as much. At mas gusto nila na nagpapadala sa hangin. That's why they are called Brahmi kites or in local terms, banog. Now, let's try to throw the food a little bit higher. So now, let's count 3, 2, 1.
Yo!
Ends our show. I hope you learned something today and most importantly you cherish this moment together with your family, friends, colleagues, and loved ones in this very beautiful place called Malagos Garden Resort. That would be all. Daghang salamat.
Hey!
Ilog ng mga ulap, inihipan ng hangin, uni ng mga ibon, naglalakbay sa ipapawid. Kay sarap mabuhay sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mga makulay.
Ito na, lafang na, lafang. Dito yata. May birthday dyan.
Ah, dito ba?
Kaya tinatawag kita kanina eh. May ano doon, may birthday. Okay na?
Opo, sir.
Salamat. 16? 16? Dito tayo, 16? Ako ate, pwede sa kusina para malapit na.
Ilagang ako.